Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth headset to PS5, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Turtle Beach Stealth headset to your PS5, start by ensuring your headset is fully charged. Next, power on your PS5 console. Now, take your Turtle Beach headset and turn it on. Look for the Bluetooth pairing button on your headset. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until you see the LED indicator light start to flash. On your PS5, navigate to the Settings menu from the home screen. From there, select Accessories. Next, choose Bluetooth Accessories. Your PS5 will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Wait for your Turtle Beach headset to appear in the list of detected devices. Once it appears, select your headset to initiate the pairing process. Follow any additional prompts that may appear on the screen. After successful pairing, the LED light on your headset should stop flashing and remain solid. Now, adjust the audio settings on your PS5 for optimum sound. Go back to the Settings menu and select Sound. Under Audio Output, make sure your headset is selected as the output device. Test your audio to ensure everything is working correctly. If needed, adjust the game and chat audio balance using the headset controls. Your Turtle Beach Stealth headset is now connected to your PS5 and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.